Okay, we have a really funny joke to tell you guys. Okay?
Hey guys, you wanna see?
You stay!
I'm a gay puppet.
Anyway,
You see
Mr.
this?
Puppet.
You see this? Huh?
Okay, anyway, Mr. Ew, smell that.
No, I don't. I'm in the hobo socket.
Okay, okay.
Mhm.
Why wasn't the giraffe, why couldn't the giraffe get inside the refrigerator?
You're telling it wrong. Okay, here you go, folks. How do you fit an elephant in a refrigerator?
I don't know how.
You open the door and put him in. How do you put a giraffe in a refrigerator?
Huh? You take out the elephant. It is elephant. Okay, elephant and put in the giraffe.
No way! That is correct! Woo! Man, this sucker really is stinky. Phew. Next one. The lion invited everybody from the kingdom to a party. Who wasn't there?
The lion invited everything in the kingdom to a party. Who wasn't there? Anyone? Anyone? Anyone?
Oh, you over there?
No? Wait, let me guess. I don't know. I just don't know. Okay, what's the answer?
Well, the giraffe didn't come because he's still in the refrigerator!
Oh!
This movie sucks. All of you who are watching this, you're awesome people for watching this stinking
wasting your time. Anyway, okay.
Gay puppet.
And why couldn't the what?
They couldn't the what?
No, what's the next part of the joke?
That was it.
The alligators? No. Okay, why couldn't the alligators, why couldn't the alligators what?
I don't know what the alligators could
No,
do.
something, why couldn't the giraffe get across the, no, why didn't the,
No, why couldn't the giraffe get across the river that had alligators in it? Because the giraffe...
the alligators weren't there, they were at the party! Yes! Okay, and
the giraffe was technically still in the refrigerator.
so how did he get to the alligators?
That's exactly what I'm thinking. It's like somehow a giraffe can walk in a refrigerator.
Did you see that thing go
Yeah,
all the way?
No. See, folks, I'm not allowed to be in the picture.
Shut up. Okay.
Because I am...
Shut up.
I have a really ugly face.
Yes, again.
If you see me, you will become blind.
Okay. Well, thanks for listening to our joke. And I'm sure you felt it funny. Yeah, found it funny. So, good luck in your... What am I doing? Whatever. Goodbye.
You know what? Eat your own